The shutdown of the Amazon App Store marks a significant shift in app distribution for many users. Launched in March 20, the App Store provided an alternative to Google's dominant Play Store. It became the primary app platform for Amazon devices, including the Fire Tablet and Fire TV. Over time, the App Store expanded its reach to include unique platforms like BlackBerry 10 and Windows 11. In July 2023, Amazon's retreat from the Chinese market signaled a decrease in its app presence globally. March 2024 brought more changes as Microsoft announced the end of the Windows subsystem for Android. So, what does this mean for users? If you've purchased apps from the Amazon App Store, prepare for disruptions. After the shutdown date, apps previously accessed through the App Store will no longer be functional. While refunds and solutions remain unclear, users should keep an eye on Amazon's communications for updates. This evolving landscape urges developers and users to consider other app distribution platforms moving forward.